In this video, I'm going to talk about very important topic, top inquiries. I remember those days when all interviewers used to ask this question, and it is very useful in your day-to-day job requirements. How to fetch top salaried employee, how to fetch top population-based department, or things like that. Oracle recent versions made it a lot easier to fetch the data very easily using advanced function. But earlier it used to be through inner queries, subqueries, things like that. And there are multiple ways to implement top n queries. Let's see which one is useful for you and have a look. So here is your employee table. It has employee number, name, job, the details. Let's focus on this column, which is salary. If I ask you, give me top three employees or top five employees based on salaries. So what you would do, you would order this table based on salary column and then select top five employees. Now there could be complexity. What if two salaries or what if two employees or more than two employees have same salaries? How you will take a decision? Sometimes you may wanna choose distinct values or the distinct values. Sometimes you don't want to, you want to ignore and you want to select anything which is top five. So let's look at the first example where it says, and this is after 9i, this particular version is available, where what you can do is you can write fetch first five rows only. This is really powerful because you have to write a very complex query to get top five records. And do not get confused with row numbers, because row number is a pseudo column that does not give you that does not represent the value in the database. Whether when you are just running the query, that is the pseudo column that calculates the runtime and shows you the value. So so in this example, what I have done, let me zoom this a little bit. Select asterisk from scott.emp order by salary, which means I want to first have the table ordered in descending order of salary, and then out of that result set I want to select first five rows only. So here, as you can see, it gives you first five records out of the salary, but if you will notice here, 3000 is duplicate, so it is not giving you entire 5000, like five records based on salaries, because you definitely want to ignore 3000 in here. So but in most of the cases this will help you if your data is aggregated. So select testing from employee and then first five. This is very quick. Now let's look at other examples. If I have to solve this problem using inner queries, how would I do it? So you can write this query a little different way, where what I have done, I have selected the salary, and of this salary, what I have done, I've selected it from a result set or from an inner query, where I'm writing again order by salary description, descending, order by salary descending, and then I'm applying row num as 5. So if I run this query, the output will remain same. So how that query executed, it first gave you the list of record in descending salary order, and then out of it I have selected salaries with a row number less than 5. So that is how the another way of implementing it. Now there is a new concept, and that's again one of the advanced version of Oracle. This may not be available in other database. They implemented a concept called with. So you can name a query or the result set using with clause. So if you see here, this is the with clause. This is named with as ordered query so that it can referenced later in the statement. And it is talking about a statement, this that I have highlighted. Now this ordered query is now the select statement on this order query is running, and then row number is, so this is the same way of writing the query that we written for inner queries, but that's another way of implementing using with option. If I run this, there will not be much change in the output, and you will see the similar output can be achieved using this option. Now then, there are other options which you can implement. There is a concept of rank and dense rank. So let's understand the rank first. So this is one of the analytical function of Oracle advanced features, where you will see it skips the rank if the rank is missed. So 1, 2, and because this is of the same value as of second, so it skipped 3 and it directly jump on 4. That's how you should be able to use rank function, where you need to get top 5 salaried employees or things like that. But there is a very minute difference between rank and dense rank. If we run this query using the dense rank option, you will see slight difference in the output. What it does, it did not skip the rank, where 1, 2, 3 is also available, and it goes up to 5. So if you need to have salaried employee, top 5 salaried employee, and you do not, and you want to include those with duplicate salaries, that's the function that you can use, dense rank, because it does not skip the order. So that's how you can get the values out of it. There are multiple ways of implementing it. There could be other ways to implement the same scenario. Let me know if you face any challenges in implementing it, and I would suggest you to go through each one of them and implement yourself, and let me know in the comment section if you face any challenges. Thanks for watching this video.